there's an enormous cultural problem that can't be conveyed briefly in translation. That's the other side of the issue. I realized that in a Shalom Aleichem story that I translated, Gazlonim, where there are schoolboys flinging insults playfully at each other, and one of them calls another Goyisher Cup, and which seems just easygoing and normal to us, familiar with it, but it really conveys a whole history of relationships that you can't convey simply in translation. It requires, I use the term, I just said dummy. So I, in effect, paraphrased. But it either needs explanation or dramatization of some sort, and much more than you can present readily.